This video walks you through how to apply interest to overdue bills in Clio Manage. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, open Settings, then go to Billing and select Payment Profiles. This is where Clio Manage stores the billing term setups that can be applied to clients, including profiles that charge interest on overdue bills. On the Payment Profiles page, click Create a Payment Profile. A new form will open where you can define how the profile should handle payment timing, discounts, and interest. Start by entering a profile name. Choose a name that clearly identifies the billing terms you are creating, especially if your account uses more than one profile for different client arrangements. The name is what you will look for later when you assign the profile to a client. Next, select Custom Payment Terms. This allows you to manually define the conditions that control when a bill becomes overdue and how interest is added after that point. Now configure the payment terms in the fields provided. Enter the day grace period first. This determines how many days Clio Manage will wait after the bill due date before the bill is treated as overdue under this profile. If you want to include a discount, enter the discount percentage and the number of days during which that discount applies. This part is optional, so if your billing policy does not use early payment discounts, leave those fields as they are and continue to the interest settings. After that, enter the annual interest rate. This is the rate Clio Manage will use when calculating interest for overdue balances attached to clients with this payment profile. Make sure the rate matches the policy you intend to apply, since future overdue bills will use this setting automatically. Then choose the interest type. For example, you can select Simple if that matches your billing terms. The interest type controls the method Clio Manage uses when applying the charge, so make sure the selected option reflects the arrangement you want on overdue bills. Next, enter how often the interest is charged in days. This tells Clio Manage the interval for applying interest once a bill passes the grace period. Check that this frequency aligns with the payment terms you are setting, because it affects how often additional charges appear on overdue balances. When all of the fields are set, click Create Profile to save the payment profile. Clio Manage will add it to your list of available billing profiles. The final step is to assign that payment profile to a client. Open the client you want to update, go to Billing Preferences, and select the payment profile you just created. Save the change if prompted. From that point forward, future overdue bills for that client will automatically accrue interest according to the grace period, rate, interest type, and charge frequency you configured. The payment profile is now created and assigned so future overdue bills for that client can accrue interest automatically.